Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm going to do a gel polish set today, and I'm going to do it on some shorter nails for a change, and not clear ones. I seem to have glitter everywhere. Right, shout outs today. Catherine Ford, I'd like to give a shout out to. If you look around about here, I'm going to put up her picture of her YouTube page, and the link will be below. And Julie's nails I'm going to put here at the bottom here. Same again, I'll leave the link down below. I will pin them to the top of the comment section, and I'll leave it in the description box. Yeah, go on over and have a look at both those ladies. They are super duper, they are. So sorry, I'm just cleaning off this, looking a bit dirty. So yeah, anyway, go and see those ladies, they are really good. I'm trying not to blind you, hopefully. Right, we are going to use probably that one, but I'm going to use it that way round because I want to use it as like a sea effect, as in the ocean. So it might mean doing 2 lots of stamping on whatever fingers I don't use. That is PYJ013. I think I got that off AliExpress. I'm sure I did. This one's a Born Pretty one, which is BP A10. I've not used this one yet. It's a newbie, and it's called Poetry Journey. So I thought I'd use that one for definite. Let's get that over there. And I've also pulled out a little anchor, which I'm going to put in the centre over the top of that anchor. So did I show you the right way around? I'm sure I did. No, I didn't. I showed it you upside down. Dozy moo. I've also got 2 shells in there as well. Whether I use them or not, I don't know. I'm not sure. So I'm going to put that over there. We'll get to the stamping bit in a minute. Oh dear, I'm so tired today. Medication's knocking me out half the time. Right, we are going to go in with AIMEILI's base coat. We'll speed through. Some of this. Okay, right, those have had 2 coats of blue on, cured each time. They have had top coat put on them. And what I'm going to do now is just quickly buff them but I'm going to do it off camera because I'm going to do it away from the desk so I don't get dust everywhere. So I shall be back in a second. Right, I'm going to use these on their side so it's like, see. Right, now I've tidied up. Right, I've got some gold leaf out. This is the real deal, as you can see. It bloody flies everywhere. It is so paper thin. Well, not even paper thin. I am going to pull a bit off and then I'm going to move it because last time I used it, it stuck to my hand and I couldn't get the bloody stuff off. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love using it. Probably took way too much out. So I'm going to take some of that back. And then that is going to go back in the packet because, oh my god, I nearly blew it away then. Like I say, I love using it, and it's the real stuff. It's not like, I hate to say it, some of the stuff what you get in these packets, what are, like, this is the stuff, as you can see, it is all individually wrapped. Right, I'm going to put this over this side because I don't want it anywhere near my silicone hand, to say the least. I'm just smashing it up into smithereens because I didn't want that bigger piece. This is how bad it is. Look, I've tried to smash it up and it's just all stuck to the silicone tool now. But that's what I wanted, little small pieces. Right, shall we put some base coat on and do it with base coat? I think it should be alright with just base coat on. So we are going to full cover that. Let's do them one at a time. And then what I want to do is just put so where the end of the flag is. Don't want to put a lot. And then I'm going to do the same. Tell you what, I'm going to put that in the lamp while it's there. And I'm going to do the same on this one. Shall we try and glue this? See if it stays. I just noticed I've got glue on my hands. That is normal nail glue. Let's see if it sticks. Does mean we could be waiting here quite a while. Okie dokie, right, they have been cured. I swear there's just hair everywhere. I can still see it. Right, yeah. Done. Sorted. Right. Thank you for persevering with me. And don't forget to pop over to Catherine Ford and Julie's Nails, so go and check them out, and I'm going to take some photos to leave at the end. Okay, bye.